皆さんこんにちは. Welcome to Kokoro's first Bosai Series. Now, before we get into exactly what this series is going to be about, let's first take a look at the meaning of Bosai. Bosai means disaster preparedness in Japanese. According to bosaijp.org, Bosai is a holistic approach to saving lives and the economy from disasters. There are a variety of saigai that occur on Earth, and even if we don't necessarily live in a place in which many occur, we might be vacationing, studying, working abroad when something happens, and it's always good to have an idea of what to expect and what to do in different situations. Throughout the 12-part series, we will be looking at earthquakes, heavy rains, flooding, different signs, tsunamis, and multilingual information and where to find it. This series will take a lighter-hearted approach to this topic, even though obviously it's not a super lighthearted topic. And in order to reduce the chances of anybody being upset or triggered, no explicit images will be shown. Please note that I am not a professional in the field, but I have been working with people who are, and I hope to use this series to help you learn some Japanese vocabulary and phrases that you can use in practical situations.